I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for it.
Triangle's a little smaller.
Good afternoon, YouTube. Happy
Good afternoon.
FOMC and kick. Good afternoon, guys. Make the triangles. You can did you change? You can change whatever you want on the triangles or the arrows or anything.
Yes. But let me post. I'll send you a DM.
Okay.
But the images, the things are huge.
Are they? See, I haven't checked that yet. That's what I'm looking for is feedback, though.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah. We could look at that. The arrows are smaller. Or
yes,
X's or whatever, but
little triangle.
Yeah, little triangle.
Well,
okay.
I suppose we can do a little X as well. Let me see. What does the X look like? Oh, no, the X is also big.
Oh, is it?
X is huge.
Oh, the X is huge too. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I will work on that side of, well, the white.
Yeah, it's just a setting. I know there's a where you can set small, large, or medium in the programming. I've done that before, so. You must just make that indicator invite only at the moment.
Yeah, we just set it public right now. I didn't know which way to do with it. Triangle.
Well, any of those indicators or symbols, just make them small.
Yeah,
and whatever you choose, it will be small.
Yeah. That's what she'll do. Yeah, we did it public because we figured that was the easiest way for everybody to get it, because I don't know exactly what you have to do with the invite only thing, but It's public for now. We'll see how it goes. Let's start at 201. I see nothing. Did I miss something?
Where, what, how much?
Where, what, how much? Oh,
Until what happens? For how long?
yeah, yeah. I see no movement. Tell me something's gonna happen here. I guess I just showed up to, yeah, we're back, 7G2. FOMC, although
Everything down again.
I don't see much. And
Yeah, it's just a minute reading, so I don't think.
yeah, yeah, we might not see much. Whoops, that's wrong. I will, we're still working kind of 7G2 on the indicator, like he just said. We're looking for a way to make the triangles a little smaller and things of that nature, but here is the rough draft on it so you can follow along. There it is if you got it there.
You have to use your own discretion when entering, though, because it will give you every um, candle, which is correct that it must do, but you must now decide whether you're going to enter or not.
Yeah, a lot of it's got to do with your stop loss. I think a lot of it's explained in
Yep.
the description 7G2, but essentially what you're doing is when you enter a candle, like this would be an entry right here on the 1 hour, let's just say, right? When you enter a candle, you want to make sure that your stop loss, which is going to be one tick below this. Oh, hold on, I need to move my chart up. Either way. Okay, which is going to be one tick below this, where your entry is. You need to make sure that that is okay for you in a stop loss. So this particular candle is 39 ticks. So I mean, and this is on the hour, but if you're comfortable with a 39 tick stop loss, you're fine with it. But if you're not, you know, uh, you'll want to skip on that entry and wait for the next one. You get plenty of signals, so you can be picky and choosy.
Now, that candle you have there is a hammer, is a bullish candle. So we found yesterday with the shooting star and the hammer, I think those are the best entries
Yep.
to take, because your body of that candle is very small. It's quite at the top, so you'll enter quickly and you won't have a big wick at the top of your candle to give you a big stop loss.
Yep, try it out, 7G2. See how you like it. Feedback, anybody that uses it,
Yes, please.
feedback, anything you want better about it. She's making the triangles and X's smaller as we speak, so there'll already be one update on it. But anything else you got? Any kind of feedback, thoughts, changes that you want to see, whatever, let us know and we will certainly do our best to work on it.
Yeah, normal doji as an entry is not nice because you have a big wick at the top, big wick at the bottom, and that just gives you your entry is much higher, and
Yep, yep.
that means your second stop loss, when you move your stop loss the first time, might also be still in um, drawdown. I'm going to actually run this tomorrow on DAX as well, because DAX moves quite nicely during the There's a nice 30-minute entry. Wow. Another nice 30-minute entry. But big stop loss on this one. 46 pips. Holy crap.
Ooh, that's a couple. That's a couple. But I didn't even change my chart yet, guys. So there, I messed around with it a bit. I haven't even looked yet. Yeah, that'll be clean there.
I've sent Lila a question about countries they allow.
Yeah, yeah.
But still, it's $280 for the bundle, and 80% off is only like $60, so it's still steep.
Oh yeah, it still ain't cheap, is it?
No, not in my position. No. We're getting some horrible wiki action at the moment.
Yeah, it doesn't surprise me much, I don't guess.
It's really something that we must look at. When you get this entry on the indicator, the preceding candle, how it opened.
Yeah, I don't think it's a bad idea to do the wick and flip, like,
Yes, yes,
you know, so.
100% correct. Because I think your chances are better of getting a positive outcome. Okay, the indicator or the alert works.
Yeah, we tested it
Yeah,
out
the
some.
alert,
Where it works good, that's good. Now you can put it on multiple time frames in order to set alerts on multiple time frames. That
okay,
was kind
yes. So on Nasdaq, I put it on 3 and 5.
Yep. And on
And
multiple assets per se, maybe. Just so you can get a look at
yeah,
it so you don't have to
I don't
feel
have as many. Yeah, I don't have as many indicators or alerts as you have. So,
it. Yeah, I've got a couple. They're always going on.
yeah, but I'll use DAX and Nasdaq. DAX more during the morning London Open,
Yeah.
and then Dow is also a possibility. Let's see. Let's add it to Dow and see what it does. Wow, the stop loss will be crazy. 99 pips.
Must print
It's
big
okay.
candles, I
Let's get.
guess.
It's a big wick. One big wick. That's all it is.
Jeez. Whoops. Oh, gosh dang it. I
Not
just
bad.
did it again.
Reality.
Yeah. That was dumb. All right. I did it again. I'm sorry.
You're back.
I just did it again over on the laptop.
No problem. It happened. Damn. Look at this. I'll send you a screenshot in chat. Look at this. Well, wait. Let me draw the market. See which one I'm talking about. No, could have been stopped out there already, but it's like one tick maybe. Okay, post it for you. I don't even know how much that is. Yeah, 125 pips. And even if you go down to where you could be stopped out, it is 50 pips, which is crazy.
Wow. Wow. Is gold my favorite? Yes, 7G2. Gold is my favorite. This reversal strategy, the indicator there, that was basically made for Nasdaq because I was going to get more into Nasdaq trading this year. And it's kind of a simple strategy that people can learn to use on Nasdaq. But yes, personally, gold is, yeah, it is my favorite to trade. Yeah, sounds like a plan. Yeah, we'll be trading more NAS this year. We also have Mr. Biopex that shows up. He he trades only NAS, so he'll be sharing his screen and trading NAS, and Jeff's been trading NAS as well. So 7G2, there'll be plenty of people in the live stream every day trading Nasdaq as well too. So it'll be good.
Well, the thing is, what we can also do is, like, if I see a trade on Dow, one could just post it somewhere.
Yeah, 7G2. Sometimes gold is, I mean, gold's plenty. I mean, that's all I traded for the most part all last year. I mean, um, I traded some Nasdaq just for passing evals. Like we did some Nasdaq trading on the live stream to pass evals, but personally, yeah, that's all I traded was gold for my actual PA accounts, my funded accounts. So yeah, gold's definitely enough. You don't have to use any extra assets. A lot of the reason that I've switched to doing more Nasdaq is just to entertainment purposes, if that makes sense. I mean, to keep the stream more entertaining for people like you who come to watch and want to see more trades. I mean, I don't take a ton of trades, and I trade gold, and it's plenty enough, but a lot of people like to be entertained much more and see more trading, and Nasdaq allows you to make more trades, basically. If that makes sense.
So here's a beautiful example of when not to trade.
Yeah, I
If
am.
you look at Nasdaq now,
Yeah, I'm surprised we're not moving more than
we
we
just
are.
get we're just getting barcodes.
Yeah.
If you look at the 5 minute, just up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's just beautiful barcoding. No, it wasn't really FOMC. It was just FOMC minutes. So even
Yeah, it
though
was.
it was a red folder, I don't know why it's red.
Yeah. Since it was a red folder, I was hoping that maybe we'd get something, but
Yeah.
maybe it's not gonna be great. We'll stay here for a little bit longer. We'll see at 2:30. At 2:30 we don't see a whole lot of movement, I might just call it there, guys, because I hate for everybody to just
Yeah.
sit here and waste their time. But we'll wait for 2:30 because a lot of times when FOMC does happen, and you know this as well, a lot of times you don't see a whole lot until the 2:30. But that's normally because Powell's talking, and I don't believe he's talking today. So,
No, no, no.
well, we got the indicator out. At least you got the indicator, man. Poor 7G2. You got the indicator, so at least we got the indicator out to some of you guys.
Oh yeah, of course. I mean, there's always something. Small steps, dude. Small steps. I've realized that when you start doing things in haste, something falls on the floor.
Yeah, yeah, true.
Yep. There we go again. Another indication. That's just you must learn how to work with that because you will get that for sure. Look at the 5. You'll see that
Yeah, right there
indicator,
was.
indicator, indicator, indicator.
Yeah, because it's just running sideways. So that's going to be the problem with the indicator right now. When it runs
No, it's not a
sideways
problem.
like this,
You
yeah.
you must just learn that you don't trade there. You just stay out of it.
Yeah, true, true. We may have to change this indicator.
Say again?
We may have to change this indicator.
Why?
They say, I don't know, I don't get it, but it says that you can't edit or delete it or anything after 15 minutes once it's public, which is the dumbest thing I've ever heard of in my life. Yeah. So, in order to make this stuff different, we may have to go private with it and then just give everybody a link or something, because that's the only way you can continue to update it.
Yeah.
That's dumb though. I don't get it, but yeah.
It's really stupid.
So, in order to make advancements in it, we may have to make it private and then just share the link with everybody. So she may just republish a different version. We'll just call it something else and republish it, and then everybody can just use the link, and then we can change it as we go, because it's supposed to be more of a get it out there and see what people think and change it. And they claim you can't change one that's public. That's kind of dumb, but okay.
It is.
Because I do want to make them triangles and X's smaller, and she already did it. But when she tried to put it on there, she saved it on her side, but I don't think it'll ever update the indicator. I'm not sure it'll update it. So it is updated, but I'm not sure it works because of that clause they've got in there. We've never published an indicator before, so I wasn't sure.
That's really stupid.
It is.
And you can't even remove it. Once it's there, it's there.
No, yeah, once it's there, it's there. You can't remove it. You can't do nothing. You can't even change it. You can't do nothing. That's I they should kind of tell you that in the beginning, that if you make it public, you
Yeah.
no longer can change any of it, because I was trying to make it public so that everybody could see it, but I didn't know that that was the final draft and I couldn't do nothing else with it.
Come
I was
on.
open to make it public, everybody could get their feedback and I could change it as needed, not make it public and
Yes.
now you can't change anything.
Make it public and now you're screwed.
Yeah, exactly. That doesn't make any sense. So, she's just going to republish another version so we can change it how we need, and then we'll just make it not public for right now. I think it's private or invite only or something. It doesn't matter either way. And I'll just leave the link. We'll drop links on, you know, YouTube, Discord, whatever. We'll keep it there to where people can use it. So I just thought it was easier to go public so everybody could just use it, but jeez.
Yeah, I was looking at, well, I started watching a video about programming in FineScript.
Yeah.
And this guy actually talks about the different things and how uh, like private, invite only, all that shit
Uh-huh.
in the video. But I, um, I didn't really look at that because I wasn't going to go public with my indicators anyway.
Exactly.
So I'll find it again.
And see what best is, because yeah, I'd like to know as well. I'd like to know what the best thing actually is to do. I thought I was doing right, honestly. Guess not, but I guess
No,
the indicator's out there just as long as you like it the way it is, but there's changes that we'll make along the way, and that's a sad thing. You can't actually update it on the public side. I mean, I can't
correct.
see how that could ever be the case, because even if you have the indicator, even if we got it perfect to what we think is perfect right now, it doesn't mean, next year we might not have something that we'd like to add to it, and there, you essentially can't do that. That doesn't make any sense to me.
No.
That's crazy. Well, look at gold. No way she's gonna try to go for this wick now. Maybe. What time is it? 30 after. Hmm. No, it did not close above. 50 ticks to the downside. Come to retest the lows. I don't think that's gonna happen.
Seriously? I suppose if you post an indicator and then people complain that it doesn't work, and you change the indicator and you say, yeah, I see it does work. Now there's an interesting short entry on Nasdaq.
Yeah. What are you looking at?
Go to 5 minute. That candle is actually slightly higher than the previous one. Very
Seriously?
little, but it is.
Oh, yeah, it is. Dang, you can barely see
Yeah, if
that,
you look
but
at
you're
the
right.
values, 51.48 and the other was 51.86. So it's like 38 cents difference.
That's crazy.
Well, you asked it to do that.
True.
And there's your entry.
Yep, and there it goes. Push some there. Did gold flip too? I was kind of seeing. Yep. I was curious about this gold flip because this was a
That was the last
rejection.
one. I love those entries that have those shooting stars at the top because,
Yep.
okay, it might be a while still before.
Yeah. I like
But it's
that
still quite a
gold.
big stop loss.
I like a gold short here just for the rejection, but the problem is I'd like to get a bearish close below here. You know what I mean? To where you're actually closed below on the hour, and then the next candle to come up with the top wick and run because essentially we're still bullish, right? So even though it looks like we came up
Yes.
and rejected, I want to see that actual rejection on a higher time frame. So, and it might drive here. I mean, and again, there's nothing we can do about that. It's just one of those things, but this is a decent entry. You get your wick up and your flip here. It's just we ran bullish all these candles prior. So I'd like to almost see a bearish candle close here first, which will be a close, right, on the hour. So if we got a bearish close here, we'll close somewhere in this area on the hour. The next candle come up, top wick and flip, but you could get risky and try to shake the run down there. It's a little risky there. That's the problem. But are you not shorting in case of a wick fail? Yeah, see, that's what I was just talking about there on that one 7G2. Yeah, I mean,
And
it's
the
not. It's
same goes with Nasdaq. Nasdaq just broke that previous structure,
yeah.
just to the left there.
Mhm.
So right there, yeah, right
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we could be changing trend.
Yeah. Exactly, and that's kind of the scare right here with gold as well. I mean, you are right, 7G2. If you wanted to get a little risky with it, you could take your short here because we rejected this area on the 30. You could take your short and run it down here. Yeah, which it's not a horrible entry. It's just a little risky because we've been bullish the whole way up and now we kind of hit, sellers came in here. We kind of hit this area, but now I'd like to hold it. So that's what I was kind of saying. If we run, if the hour closed below, if it goes below here on the hour, then we'll be bearish on the 30. This will be a bearish close, right? Because we'll close underneath here. And then we could wait for an hour, wick back up, and then a flip and run back down. I kind of like that better. Again, just to see it run, right? So can it work from here? Yeah, it might drive from here. I mean, it definitely can. I wish there was a little more volume. I wish it was. Wish we were running a little better. It's not a bad entry. It's not a bad short entry. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna take it, but it's not a bad short entry, guys. I mean, it's not. It may run. It really may. Oh, you were on the short from Nas. 5 minute up here that Manpour was just talking about, Jeff? Yes, nice, nice, nice. Beautiful. Yeah. Did you see the indicator there, Jeff?
Jeff is here.
He's on YouTube.
Oh, what's he doing there?
Watching the stream, I guess.
Yep, no problem.
If you just scroll up, Jeff, I'm actually going to put out another one, but that's what I've got so far. We're going to change it. Just scroll up in the chat. Or can you see chat before you got here? I think you can see it. Just scroll up in the chat. It's there. But we're going to put out another one. Okay, yeah, that's fine. The indicator's up in chat right here on YouTube, though.
Hey guys,
Hello,
Hello.
hello. Here's the indicator, but we're gonna be making another. But I'll go ahead and put it in this chat if you didn't
yeah,
grab it for the other. There you go.
wasn't the best. I don't like it when it like barely wicks above, but I decided to still give it a shot.
Yeah, that was a very small wick. It was like
Yeah,
38 cents or something.
yeah, I think
And
it's better if the wick's a bit bigger.
yeah, I've realized that a nice candle to enter on is either a shooting star at the top or a hammer at the bottom,
Yeah,
or
but it's
even an
fine. We're
inverted
still
one.
trying to figure it out, right?
Yep.
Yeah, the indicator. I'm trying to. Oh, I got it there. I think. Can I use it? Yes.
That was actually more of a move than I thought. Just the flip already on that gold. I don't know if you took that 7G2, but the flip coming down was already about 25, 26 ticks. Man, I didn't think that
I
move
can
was
see
that
from
big.
here.
Wow. All right.
How does the indicator work? Is it just? Oh wait, like this.
I'll post an image in the. You'll see.
That seems to look really good. This one. It
Yeah,
only shows the arrow if it closes within the other candle, right?
correct. It only shows the arrow if it closes within the other candle. And you can set up EMAs on it because some people have been asking about what EMA or anything else. And
Yep, I
we
see.
put 6 on there so you can do that. And it's got alerts. But we are going to change it because, like Manpour said, if you use the triangles or the X's rather than using the arrows, they're fairly large. And she figured out how to change them to where they're smaller. But now we can't change the indicator because we put it public. So
Oh, okay.
we're going to have to republish a different script and keep it private and just give out the link
That's
so
fine.
that we can change it. But for right now, that one works just fine. It's just I'd like to be able to change it and update it and whatever as we go. So we're probably not going to make it public again. We're just going to make it like invite only or something, and then we'll just put the link
Yeah,
for
alright.
everybody in Discord, on YouTube, in Kick.
What's with the ones and twos? Or with, yeah. There's like a 1 and a 2 in some arrows.
There is? Oh, man.
Yeah, there is. You want me to show you?
Yeah, give me the
There
screenshot.
is.
Yeah. I'll just send them in this chat. This. Oh, wait a second. Never mind. I just. No, wait. What? Oh, yeah. No. That was still from C's indicator.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. So you're just
Never mind.
overlaid on another indicator.
Forget
No
it.
big deal, no big deal.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't realize that C thing was 2 indicators, so I only put one away. Yeah, this seems nice. It only
does.
puts it from the current time frame that you're on, right? I'm guessing.
Yep, yep. It only does it from the
Yes.
current time frame, yeah.
But the alerts work as well. So I've set the alerts on the 3 minute and the 5 minute, and they work.
Oh, that's nice. Alright, so if I put alerts for
So here's a screenshot of how I use the alert settings.
I have to set separate alerts for long and short, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
You just
okay, now
select that.
Yep.
so-
I'm doing it right.
So you're basically going to have, well, it depends what time frames you want to do. If you only want to use 5, then you only need two alerts.
Yeah, no, I have the pro. What's it now? I have essential, so I can set multiple
Oh,
alerts.
nice.
It's fine.
Essential is the second step up.
I'm not sure.
I think so.
I
Yes.
just
I've
can
got the
use
same, yeah.
replay mode and something else. I don't know.
Yes, yes. Same as mine. For now, mine
I
expires
thought that
June.
was pretty. It's pretty not handy to get, to be honest. But I'm not seeing any at the moment. Not seeing any reason to get the better one.
No.
Maybe for the live charts if I want to trade futures. I guess that would be good, but don't have a
Then you
future
need,
account
yeah,
yet. So
you do need the essentials to buy the live. Gentlemen, I'm going to bid thee farewell and have a good night.
All right, you getting out of here?
I'm
all
going
right,
to get up.
wait.
All right.
I'm going to get up tomorrow morning and see and run this thing till it's blue in the face.
Wait, I have to put a
Probably
trigger once per bar close, right?
that's what I use. I'm not sure. I usually use that because he'll trigger then when that candle closes.
Yeah, I think I have to do that. It kind of fucked it up, I think.
Yeah, I think you do.
So
That'll
otherwise,
work.
it will give too fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will
Let me
happen
know.
too
Let
fast.
me
Yeah,
know how
tomorrow
it
morning I'm
goes.
going to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll test it on
Yeah, I
DAX
can see all my alerts here.
and Dow tomorrow morning.
Sounds good. Sounds good. And if there's anything that you can
Yep.
see that should be changed or something that could be different or whatever, we can do it. I'm looking for feedback. So
For sure.
if you notice
For sure.
anything, let me know.
No problem.
All right. Have a good one.
Have a good one, you guys.
Change this.
Cheers, man.
All
My
right.
man,
Good night.
Cheers, YouTube.
got to change it to bar close. Then the short. Let me see. All right. So I have the alert set up. Now just wait. I will use the bathroom real quick.
All right. Okay, guys, I just got a top step code for anybody that wants 50% off top step evals. Don't know if any of you guys use it or not. Jeff, I guess you're not here. I will get it posted in the room though. If you guys want it on Kick or YouTube, just let me know.
And I'm back.
Welcome back, welcome back. I'm putting a top step code over in the channel real quick. This code. Well, there's the bearish close with the on the 30-minute we were looking for, but it's a super, super, super doji. I was hoping to be more up here, honestly. Still not a great entry, guys.
I see.
I'd like to close somewhere up here. Then we could have opened this candle and actually test the resistance. We are going to make a top wick and flip down more than likely here. Again, not a bad spot to enter. Just like I said on the flip of this one, not a bad spot to enter, but jeez. Would have liked to close more up in this area. I mean, could say this, right? Current price action put us below here. Like a steeper top wick than that too. That is not enough.
What was the name of the indicator again? I forgot.
The reality check.
Not finding it now anymore for some reason. Am I doing something wrong?
Should be under T in your favorites, maybe. Like I said, she's going to work on possibly making another version as well, but for right now you could use that one if that works, and then we'll go from there. If we
Yeah,
get a
that's good, man. It seems good.
yeah, if we get a steep top wick here, I might take an entry on gold, guys. We can get a pretty decent top wick up into this area. I
I'll
might
take it as well. Probably.
I might even get a little risky on this one, guys, and take a wick entry. Who wants to do that with me?
Yeah,
How many
I'll do it.
ticks do we got? How many ticks do we got here? Then we can anticipate the flip. 24 ticks already. I'd like it to come up and get into this area. It'd be really nice if it would take the high. That's still another 29 ticks from the line. 15 we need to flip, 5 we need to flip. Come on, push up some more. And I would like to see a little more push up if it's going to flip here. Let's see. Come on, I'd like to see it push up some more. Push up and at least try to test this. Let's test this high. See what we can do here. Now we could always take it on the flip, but I'm thinking of trying to enter it a little higher. See if we could take advantage of the move back down.
So what are you exactly looking now for to happen right now?
What I'm hoping is
Get
that
the wick up, right?
yeah, we're hoping to get up here, test some of this area before it starts falling apart, and then expecting the flip for the bottom wick, right? So,
Yeah, and
I mean,
when will you take your entry then?
I'm thinking about trying to take the entry on exhaustion up here. See if we can get up here and start exhausting some, and then take the entry before the.
Where would you put your stop loss in that case?
We'll probably
If
put it
you
above
take
this
it that.
wick. We'll probably put it above this wick. Unless
Alright.
we can get above it. If we can get above it, I'd like that even better, but I'm
Yeah.
not sure we're going to get all the way up there. That's the problem. Let's see here. I could see tapping them highs there. Normally I wait for the flip, but with how slow the price is moving, I'm thinking maybe I can get away with, maybe we can get away with sneaking in an entry if we can get up into this area and then reject back down. So kind of similar to what this did.
Yeah.
When it came up here and it started rejecting back down, kind of like the video that I put out on Nasdaq, the learning video. This is essentially kind of the same setup. So basically we came up and rejected here. So if we can get back up here and reject again and then kind of take the entry, coming back down, anticipating the flip, then we can run it down at least to a bottom wick. It puts on a bottom wick. It could, and we'll take profit 1 at the low here, and then we'll chase it with a stop as it puts on the bottom wick. And then if it's just a bottom wick and it's going to push, then our stop will get hit if it continues to go back up. You see what I'm saying? If it continues to go down, we'll be fine. If it decides to go back up, we'll have the stop there in profit for the second contract, right?
Yeah. All right. How many contracts do you trade? You trade 1 or 2?
2.
And then it's $10 a tick, right?
It's $10
you
per
trade 2?
contract. No, that makes it 20 per tick.
Okay.
Yeah.
You take 2 on all your accounts, or?
Yep. Yep, except for the 150s. I take 4 on the 150s.
Oh, okay, okay.
Hey, G Flock, hey.
All right.
Hmm. Yeah, we're gonna come down before we ever get up there. I really would have liked to get up there before taking it. I mean, we tested this high, but that's kind of tough because we broke it last time. Hmm.
And Q got a pretty big nice candle. So hopefully, if we can get the wick below,
Yeah,
maybe set up. But we'll have
yeah,
to
yeah.
wait. I like
Sure.
it when it's like candles bigger and then the move up because I feel like it's more likely to recover it. But
Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, G Flock, hey.
at least from what I've seen,
That's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a
we'll have to wait.
gold set, gold short setup here. We're just, me and Jeff were just discussing exactly when to make the entry here. I'd like it to push up over here, honestly. I'd like to get up at least into this wick. If not, tap the top and then reject. But as of right now, it's just kind of, we need a bottom wick, but I don't really like where it is. We didn't even get up here to test these. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I'm waiting. Stop loss would be this wick if we could get up here. So essentially, if we could get up and we could start testing the wick, then just above it. If we get up and break above it, then just above our candle. I mean, this area right here is your next area, so you essentially could call anything there. Kind of ugly there. Yeah.
I'm not learning anything different, Chief Locker.
What's wrong with my mic quality? Should be good. It's like you're
I get
speaking
what you
behind.
mean a little bit, maybe.
I don't know. Well, I changed. I'm on the web app now. All right, yeah. I'm on the browser app because I have to use it. Oh, now it changed. I'm on the web app now, so it is different than what I usually use because I have to do that in order to get all the messages on. He's gone. This guy. You're fine. Just let me know when you're back. Hey, Phils.
Hello, everybody.
Hey, man.
Hello, hello.
We were hoping for a little more movement for FOMC, but so far, ain't got much.
Oh, let me just blow on it real quick.
There you go.
It's working. Okay, let's see what trades you got going on here. You're buying above and you're closing below. Dang. What did I do so far? I shorted it down, uh, took profit, and then let's see. What's my trade journal? It's right here. I'm currently in a buy up to basically your buy above level.
Yeah, I'm looking for it. I'm looking for a wick above that and then shorten it back down. That's what I'm looking for right this second.
Yeah, that's why my TP is there, because I know it's gonna probably short there. It's gonna reject and short. Um, should start moving up there. Peace out, Floki.
Oh, he's leaving.
Yeah. Very good, very nice. My long
Yeah.
is up 0.8, no, 0.19%, 0.20%. Oh boy.
Good deal, good deal.
It should start rejecting soon.
Yeah, I was hoping we'd come up there and at least test that high. If not, maybe break it a bit and then reject back down. And then I wanted to short it back, take profit at the low of the candle, and then chase it with a stop once the candle flips. But I got to see some rejection
Yeah.
first.
Yeah. Just scream buy or sell whenever you're making an order. Buy.
No,
Deal.
I'm selling. I'm selling. I expect to put a bottom wick on this current candle. So just want to see if
You
they
think I
take
should
the
take
highs
profit?
first. I think it might take the. I mean, it's up to you. I'm hoping for
I'll
it to
put
take the
my
highs.
stop loss in profit.
Yeah, I'm hoping for it to take right.
It might actually take. I think it's gonna take it.
Yeah, I'm hoping it takes the highs. It should be a nice push up real fast once it hits that, because you're going to hit your stop losses.
Getting
Then,
really close.
then it'll depend on if it wants to continue up or reject and come back down. But I expect it to hit them stops before we go down.
Would be better for the setup as well.
Come on. Like to see a little pop there. Problem is, if they don't grab them stops there, then I'm always going to be concerned trying to go short here that they're going to come back for them. Not that I can't put a stop up there as of now, but I really don't like this. Come on, push up. Just a little pop and then a break back down.
Another 5-minute open.
Come on, gold. You can help me out a little, can't you? Just one last little push.
Just sitting still.
Yeah, no,
It's lazy.
it is too. Yeah, there she goes. Well, then there's that, huh? That's it. That's all she's got in her. It's up to you all if you want to take a short here. I'm always going to have it in the back of my head that she's going to come up here and grab these highs, retake these highs. So,
If it does take it, will you still take the short?
yeah, if it takes
Oh
them,
yeah,
I
I'm
will.
seeing
Yeah,
short signals on the 1 minute. I am in a
Yeah, no, I'll just wait as well then for the break, for that highs get taken.
yeah.
They do.
I'd like
closing
to.
my long position
Yeah,
and setting a short now.
yeah. It's not a bad idea. Like I
Yeah,
said, anybody that wants to take a short, this isn't a bad place to take a short. I'm just greedy.
yeah. 1 minute chart, according to my technicals, say short. So just on that last candle
Yeah,
on the 1 minute.
Let me see that.
I'd like to see. Come on. Just like to see a pop above. I want to see the stops grabbed before. I'm always going to be worrying that they're going to come back to the stops. She's exhausted though. She don't have more power in her. Push. This is what people say you have to have oscillators for on your screen. Notice I'm looking at all these oscillators. All you gotta do is watch the candles. I don't see what oscillators are for. I can tell you everything that's in a footprint chart, in an oscillator, indicator, and everything just by sitting here looking at this candle. That's what I try to tell G Flake all the time. Doesn't make any sense to me. I don't need none of that stuff on my chart. I can see exactly what it's doing. We were one tick below. I can't believe it.
I know what
Never.
I'm doing because my indicator tell me what to do.
Yeah, and there's nothing wrong with that either. I'm just saying, he always says, oh, well, you need this or you need that, and everybody tells me I need this and I need that to confirm my trades, especially oscillators. I get that all the time. I don't know what I need an oscillator for. I can already tell you. I can tell you exactly what the volume's doing right here, or RSI, or TDI, or any of those things. It's all the same. Just like MACD, you can see it right here in the chart what it does. You've seen these, if you watch these charts long enough, you understand exactly how it's moving when you see these candles build.
Nasdaq broke that last candle, so no
Who's
buy.
STD? I
Who's-
have lots of STD.
I don't know. I don't know that one.
I
Sexually
might
trans.
still actually take it. I'm not sure.
You talk about Nasdaq, Jeff? Or?
Oh no, that was really cool. But I was watching at Nasdaq and 5 minute broke the previous candle, so that's no option. But I was
Gotcha.
looking at a 15 minute, and maybe it could have something nice, but I'm not sure if I will take that.
16
But
ticks.
I think it's so interesting to look at the higher time frame ones. But it could just as well continue down first, which wouldn't be too bad either.
Yeah.
Maybe even get a better buy opportunity.
Echo, play classical.
Humming classical from Spotify.
Yeah, I mean, I think it'll probably still go up to take those stops. Like you were saying.
Yeah, we'll see. I wish it would.
But
Close there.
like yeah, I still see it going up probably $6 or a bit more, at least on XAU, and then going down. But I'm slowly just adding in positions. I only have one position right now, but I'll likely enter 3 more as it goes up
Yeah.
to get those stops. What's DCAing, by the way?
Dollar cost averaging.
I've heard. What's that mean?
That basically means that you start off with a small position size, and then as price moves away from you, you up your position size in order to level out your entry as it goes against you. You see what I'm saying? So like, and I don't know how to explain it in lots because I don't understand how lots work, but it'd be like if you take one contract of GC and then you short it, say right now, because we're going short, and then you get to this area right here and you put 2 more contracts in order to bring your entry way up to here, shorting, and then you get up to this level and you put, 6 or 7 more on in order to bring your price up, and then as it falls back down, you start shedding the contracts back off into profit.
Yeah.
A lot of
Okay. So
hedge
you have to
fund
increase
guys
the
do that.
amount.
A lot of hedge fund guys do that. I've got a buddy. He manages like $1 billion. He's a hedge fund manager, and he does a lot of buying into positions, DCA and in, and basically shedding contracts back as it goes in your direction after DCAing in. If you understand it and realize where your areas are and are good at things like that, managing trades, then it works really well. It definitely helps for people who aren't as set on where their entry is going to be. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's what makes it so much better, because you can kind of have a little more leniency maybe in your entry, rather than just entering one and saying, okay, I'm gonna enter here and then I'm gonna, get out here. It's one of those things. If I want to enter here, gonna enter here, gonna enter here, and you don't miss the move that way. Like for me, right now, I'm looking for it to come up, take the stops. If it never does it, I don't get an entry. He could probably already be in
Ye-
once or twice by the time we get to this area, so he's actually got a position. So it's similar to laddering, like Z does. Z does a laddering technique where he enters a lot of contracts in order to keep liquidation down to continue to enter in, and he enters a lot of orders. But it's a little different than laddering because you're actually dollar cost averaging. So you're really you have intent on how you're entering. It's not just you're putting on more contracts, you're actually putting them on in a dollar cost average, so that you're really averaging your entry to your
Yeah.
position into your direction, if that makes sense.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
There's all kinds of methods on it though, if you want to look at it, read about it, whatever.
Yeah.
It's not a bad thing to do if you understand what you're doing. Like if you understand the same with getting out. Like for instance, and
There is
again,
a setup on NQ actually, 3 minutes and on the 5 minutes.
good deal, good deal. Yep, sure enough. Sure enough.
Let me see.
Um,
It already triggered, so I'm too
yeah,
late for this one. But maybe if we come back to entry, I take it. But
yeah,
let me see.
it triggered. Phil's, if you understand how
Yeah.
to manage your portfolio that way, and you understand how to use risk management rather than, I know we're live here, but rather than R2R trading, because that's two very different things. If you understand how to do that, then what you do is you keep a big enough portion of your portfolio still available, right? And what happens is if you get to your major, like, I don't know how you trade, but let's say the 50 or the 200, on the daily is what you consider your major, you know, resistance, and you've built into your short now, you've DCA'd in, entry looks good, but now you get to that 50 and it's not going to hold. Now what you do is you take your portfolio, what you have to get you out of trouble, and now you buy in to, you sell in order to get the bounce that you're going to get from the 50, because you're going to get a bounce.
Yeah.
And you've put enough into it now to bring your entry super close to where you can get out losing very little, or maybe breaking even, so that you're basically taking all your risk off off the table. And I mean, that's managing positions. I try to talk to these guys about managing positions, and I realize nobody gets it, because too many people talk about 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, whatever. That's got nothing to do with trade management. It's got nothing to do with trading as a whole. In reality, it's just a way for new traders, in my opinion, to not get killed in the market. And I mean, it works. If you're a new trader and you don't really know what you're doing, and you enter a position, then absolutely your stop loss and your R2R should be what it is, because then you only have to win, 25% of your trades, and you should still not be unprofitable. And I mean, that's a great place to start. That's why I give everybody SMC stuff and everything else. But that's not trade management, not risk management, not bankroll management. It's got nothing to do with any of those things, because it's only based on stop loss. And
Yeah.
it means nothing. Stop losses and take profits mean nothing in this whole game of trading in reality. But
Mm.
people get that as they trade longer. They'll see. I mean, I used to do stuff with the guys. We used to have another Discord when we first left over at when TJ first got all sprung up and left over there. we had another Discord that we went into, and we actually used to go in there, and guys would have me just take an entry. I just take an entry. Why? Just see if you can manage the entry. You know, you get on. Of course, back then it was a crypto chart, but you get onto a Bitcoin chart and say, okay, enter short right now, and now manage that trade and don't lose anything. It's a good exercise for anybody who wants to go in and try something like that. Obviously, I'll tell you guys you should probably do it on sim, but when you start seeing the market like that and actually figuring out how to manage trades, you'll start understanding that there's a lot more to trading than R RRs and all that crazy stuff that people talk. Where you put your stop loss has nothing to do with where you take profit. Has to be or should be or anything else. None of that makes any difference in the world. I can just like the strategy, okay, that Jeff's working on right now. Okay, so here's my. I'm sure you're looking at my screen. Here's my chart. Here would have been your entry right here. All right. So as soon as this
This one
candle
was good, man.
yeah, it was a good one. You are right. So your stop loss right now is the bottom of this wick, one tick below this wick. As soon as this candle closes, this is a 5-minute candle, your stop loss now moves to here. So you're telling me that your R to R just changed? Well, absolutely it did. But yet, what we're supposed to figure it from is what? This one? Or are we supposed to figure
I would
our
put
R
it at
from?
the bottom of the tree.
Yeah, yeah,
If you were to enter it, I was a little bit too late, unfortunately. But I was already saying like
yeah,
it was good to recover to the upside. I would have taken it if I was there, if I wasn't too late. But
yeah.
yeah,
But
it happens. It's fine. It's still nice to see, to
what
keep
I'm
track of this.
what I'm saying though is R, right? So is your R figured from here because this was your risk initially, or is now your R figured from here because this is your risk? And once this candle closes, and let's just say that it closes somewhere around here, well now we're in profit. If it comes to about right here, this candle closes up here somewhere. Now we're in profit. So what did all the R to R matter? It didn't matter nothing because 10 minutes later, our stop loss isn't even in the same place anymore. And that's exactly how R&R's figured. Your risk to rewards figured by where your stop loss is and where your take profit is. Well, somebody needs to ask Jeff about that then, because his trade yesterday, his stop loss was running with him the whole time, and he ran like 400 ticks in profit off this strategy, and it's got nothing to do with ours. And I think he was happy with his profit, weren't you, Jeff?
Yeah. I was a little bit. I wasn't really in a big enough. I was in a really small position because I was
Yeah.
still testing some things out with that
Yep.
account, and I was also a bit of drawdown on that one because I was trading some dumb crypto stuff before that, and I wanted just to see on this account right now how well I can do with this strategy. So it's still trying to see it a bit, but that was a really nice trade.
Yep.
It was really nice. Yeah, in this position I would stop out already. But this one is already more profit than the trades that I ran today, I think. If I would have taken it. But yeah, this one was nice. There's actually a short right now, which I think could be decent for short term, but I'm not sure if it would run too long. It might run long, but I don't think I would have taken it. But well, I'm not taking it now, so. But it's also isn't too bad the short, to be honest. It's quite a small stop loss still.
Yeah. Gold still hadn't did nothing, guys. Nothing.
Yeah, it's
Being
being weird.
lazy.
It's
It
definitely
does
gonna
not
go
want
up
to
into
move.
those stop losses, though. I'm
Yeah.
confident.
That would be nice. But I don't think we're
Yeah,
gonna have enough time once it does it. It's already 3:38.
yeah.
So
I mean, if not, I'm already short.
yeah,
That
you're
I
good.
mean,
I
likely
just can't take
be
another
short.
position. Of course, you can stay open too, right? You can stay
Yeah,
open.
tomorrow
Yes.
is gonna be short.
Yeah. See, my positions have to be closed at 5, so
Hey, bro.
I won't be in it. Hey, Burb, how's it going? Did you get the indicator?
Indicator.
Yeah, scroll up.
What's that?
Indicator from
Reality
new
checking.
strategy.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
is this yours?
yeah, yeah. Just I'm gonna make some refinements to it, but yeah, this is the new strategy that we've been talking about. So I tried to do it to where guys would be able to use the indicator and see the entries that they're looking at. You can set alerts on it. You can even put moving averages on it, and I think it allows you to put like 6. You can turn them all off if you want, but you can put like 6, whichever custom moving averages you want, if you want more confluence, whatever. So it's that new strategy that I've been working, Phil's, that I keep talking about, that is super easy for people to understand. It's just a indicator to kind of help with it. If anybody sees anything that they'd like added or changed or anything else, let me
I
know.
still have to check it out.
Yeah, see how it is. See what y'all think.
Do you have any recommended settings for it, or the default is?
Default's fine, but you could turn the moving averages off if you want. Depends on if you want more confluence. Like what Z was doing with the new strategy is he had EMAs and he was only shorting under each EMA or only longing over each EMA. So it's just a way to add some more confluence to your entries if you want.
Mm,
Um, Jeff has just been taking them on setup dependent on what your stop loss is, because essentially like I just showed you here, this would be a setup, right? So your entries 1 tick above the candle, your stop loss is below 1 tick below the wick of the candle. So if that's too big of a stop loss, Jeff says no and doesn't take the entry, which is a smart way to do it, right? So you kind of can use it however you want. There's just an entry system and a stop loss system because, like I always say, the only thing you can control is your stop loss in reality. When it comes to trading, that's really the only thing you control. Everybody likes to say all these other things, but in reality, the only thing you can control is your stop loss. So how this system works, or this strat, or whatever you want to say, is your stop loss continues to move. So what we're doing is limiting loss. That's what the strat's all about. It's just limiting loss. Gives you an entry, you limit loss. I mean, that's at the end of the day, that's all you're looking for. The positions that run, they run, and you do really well. Like uh, Jeff had one that ran over 400 ticks yesterday. So when they run
mm,
good. When you get a stop, your stop's very minimal. You don't take much of a stop. So does it have a super high win rate? Absolutely not. You know, will it sometimes? Maybe, but I mean, it's not set up as a high win rate. It's set up as somebody new can come in, see it in black and white, take a trade, manage the trade, and not have to even use any, as everybody likes to say, if their psychology doesn't have to be affected at all because it's got clear set rules.
I think I found the trade that I took.
Hold on 1 second, all right? I'll be right back, guys.
I think this was a trade from yesterday. I think.
Oh, man, I regret going to sleep last night. It was like 2 a.m. or something, but uh, I opened the short before I went to bed, and I wanted to open 4 orders, but instead I only opened one because I was like, okay, I'm gonna fall asleep. So if this screws me, if I hit stop loss, worst case scenario, I lose $100 or something instead of my whole portfolio. But it ended up going my way, and I hit the take profit, so could have made a much bigger bag than I did.
Should have just coin flipped.
For real.
Still the best strategy.
Past few weeks have been crazy for my portfolio. I went from I started with 400, then 3 days I got it to 600, and then some shit happened, and it went down to 200, and now today it's at 357.
Yeah, you don't trade funded, right? I'm guessing.
Not at the moment. I will
That's just
soon, probably. Like whenever there's a deal and reality is passing them in voice channel, probably cop one.
There's a nice. The short from now is also pretty nice. Didn't expect it to run for so long, but I guess it was too bad. Like the stop loss was really small, so this one was pretty good as well.
What are you trading?
No, I was just looking at Nasdaq, the short, like the new strategy.
Uh,
This one, the short there, was pretty good. If I would have taken it. I was just a little bit slow. And I was also still anticipating recovery up from the recent move. At least the last candle. But we might get a buy opportunity here.
Hello, Phil. Hello. Hey, Phil, I just dropped Top Step
y-
in there if you're looking for an account. I'm sorry, I was listening to you and on a phone call at the same time.
do they got like a $1 account going right now?
No, it's 50% off, so a 50K is like 24.99 right now. So that's the best
Oh,
deal out right this second. Not saying there won't be better ones, but I figured I'd drop that one if you're looking for something currently.
is there hidden costs? Like, do I have to pay extra once I pass?
Yes, you have to pay
Oh my,
149 once you pass. But then you're done.
what?
Then you then you're done
That's
though.
It's quite a
Yeah, but
lot.
still, that's wild. That's how they get you. They say, okay, 50% off, but then you got to pay the other 150% when you pass.
Yeah.
It's
Is that
crazy.
the same with Apex?
Yep.
Yeah, it's the same with
Yep.
Apex. It's
Yep. All of them give you a PA fee after the fact. The beauty, I mean, it's good and bad depending on how you look at it. Like I realize that the Forex fund accounts are only one-time fee, but the problem is normally they're 100, 150, $200, whatever, right? And the issue with it is if you fail the account, that's it. You're done. You lost it. And you got to go and you got to do it again. If you fail the count, that's it. You're done. You lost it. You got to go do it again. With these, it's, you know, 20, $30 normally, somewhere around there per month. If you fail, they just reset it. Next month, you pay again. They reset the account. You continue on. Then once you pass, now, yes, now you pay your $150 fee, but you've passed now, so you're guaranteed PA. To where with Forex funded companies, you're never guaranteed anything. I mean, you got to pay that $100 fee, $200 fee every single time you fail. So that's why I always say sometimes it's better I mean, unless you know for sure you're going to pass and you're ready to rock and roll, and that's where a lot of people struggle, sadly.
yeah.
So it's all in how you
Looks like
look at
there's
it.
quite some volume in this candle on Nasdaq.
I like I like futures better, but everybody already knows that. But I mean, I like futures better all the way around, so I'd rather be with a futures prop firm. Uh, Something else that I like about the futures prop firms is they split 90-10. All of them split 90-10, which I like, and they give you a fair amount of your first money 100%. So like top step, I don't know what they give you. I don't know if it's 10, 12K probably 100%, but Apex gives you 25,000, 100% of 25,000 right up front.
Yep.
I took the long on Nasdaq on the 3 minute, yes. Stop loss is pretty nice. Should be, yeah, it's pretty tight.
But that's something that's a little bit different with them too. And the next, I mean, I don't know. It depends on what Forex funded company you go with too, because I've seen a lot of them shut down and roll out too.
I want to get the futures account eventually as well, because I think it will be better.
Yeah, I like futures
Just
better.
that you get like the better entries, you know.
Yep.
Just at this exact spot, that's nice. But at the moment, I have like 5 or 6 accounts from poker anyway, so
Yeah, exactly. You might as well work them
that's
first.
how I want.
My
Yeah,
son's doing
if
the
I'm not
same
confident
thing.
enough,
Yeah,
I'll just use those anyway.
yeah. My son's doing the same thing.
I'm way better off doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I won those accounts too, and the poker accounts, and
Oh no,
I gave them to
looking
him,
too good.
and he plans on doing the same thing. He's going to get a payout and use his payout to buy futures accounts, and then go from there. So
Yeah, that's cool. That's what I'm trying to do as well. Yeah, no, this is not looking too well for my position.
no, it fell apart. Like I said, the market's not moving is the problem. When it gets like this, all it does is bang around and you get stopped a lot. That is the problem. It needs to be moving. And we're not. We got 10 minutes left till 4. Power hour's done. Ugly, ugly, ugly. I think I am going to, yeah, call it a day. Exactly, Barb. I think I'm going to call it a day, guys. I'm going to go get some exercise.
Whoa.
I will be
Nasdaq dropped.
back tomorrow morning. We still didn't get Twitch to work. I don't know why. You guys on YouTube,
Maybe
have a
tomorrow.
great afternoon. Kick, you guys have a great afternoon. On that note, I'm going to shut you guys down. I will see you back tomorrow morning.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move?